Architectural Builder Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
Tectus in lieu of Soss. Yes, sir.
Now I'm an old carpenter. And you know what I used to use to adjust the Soss hinge? A claw hammer.
Well, if you're an old carpenter, you didn't have to adjust a Soss hinge because you put it in the right place.
No, the newer ones sag, and there's no way to adjust them, and they have to be perfect to be functioning correctly. And even if you put them in perfect in the shop, the guy goes out there to hang that door, and it may not be perfectly plumb, and this may be a little askew, and this may be a little that askew. And over the length of a door, say you got an 8-foot door, you got to make them line up somehow. The fact that it's kind of like, all right, so you got a Dorma CP440, and it has a little hole in the back so you could adjust the pivot point. What holds that? Just some Loctite, man.
Yeah, thread lock is all that holds it. I mean,
Loctite, that's it.
Yeah, and that's my concern over all of these three-way adjustable or anything adjustable, these European solutions. I realize that Soss is not for everyone, but, if I'm sitting at my dinner table once a year, I hear something hit the floor, and it's a ball tip coming off one of my Baldwin hinges, and I'm thinking I'd like to know, someone's experience a decade after installing some Tectus to say, yep, I'm adjusting that darn door every 6 months, or I'm not.
I haven't had any callbacks.
Okay, that's good. I've been very suspicious about the long term of a Tectus hinge.
Now, you also have the Sugatsunes.
It's same. There's except that the instructions are harder to read.
And to tell you the truth, we did a project for the Qatar Embassy in New York.
Okay.
And we were pulling some older work out. And you know what? They had a Eastern European version of that hinge that had been on there for a while. So that hinge is nothing new.
No. Mm-mm. Well, most everything we do is nothing new. That Fitzgergens, if you're doing a door that's 150 pounds or less, just use a bomber. Those guys invented that, and Grant was basically just out of office when the two Bomber brothers invented that entire category.
All right. Well, thank you for your time. Thank you for letting me know that my product is going to be here.
Yes, sir.
And I will keep you in mind as far as Fitzgergens and Tectus, but explore pricing differences between Germany and Wisconsin.
So there were two people on that project in the Middle East there were two distributors in play. It was me and the people that Tim works at. I got the project. I don't know why. I don't know, was it price or was it lead time? So there might be something there. And if I can play a role in your short-term goals, great. If I can't, well, okay, fine. I'll help you somewhere else.
But you and I have been good with each other for a lot lately.
Yes, sir.
We've been good for each other. All right. Thank you for your help, sir.
And to you. Bye-bye.
All right.
Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program.